Hello, this week I'll just be doing the finishing touches on this house that we were continuing over the last couple of weeks. It's nearly done now, and I think it will be pretty much done this week. So I'll be painting some details, and yeah. So I've put the brown colour on some accents around the house, and you can already see that it is really starting to, pop out. The brown really makes everything sort of pop out and stand out and stuff like that. And it looks absolutely stunning. Now, I'm still technically nowhere near done yet, hold on. Some detail, some other things, but especially on this side, look at that. It looks so good. Now I'm going to start doing these sort of exposed brick faces. I need to paint those. I'll paint it in well, I'm going to have a look at what colour, and you'll see when I'm done. So I've pretty much painted all the details now. Hold on. Pretty much painted all the details now, so... Whoops. I'm trying to make a bit with this. Sort of exposed brick layer things, the windows, bits of wood, everything's been painted. And honestly, I think it's done. I really wanted to keep this a really nice and simple building so that I could really sort of take this to any setting and perhaps time period and use it for wargaming. And I think I've really met that criteria, because I think you could use it for World War I, World War II. Even if you could really stretch it and try and use it for Napoleonic. There's so much you could use this for, and for that I'm really happy. Now I'm gonna try do some weathering on it. I'm going to use a sponge and get some sort of some grimy dark colour and just do some loads of streaks on it and stuff like that. So I've began a bit of streaking, and basically what I do is I get the sponge, hold on, I dip it in a bit of paint, okay, and then hold on, I put it on the building and I sort of streak it down. Small streaks like this, and then I get some water, just a bit of water, and I start streaking it downwards. Oh, ooh, I put a bit too much paint on there. And that's the sort of streaking look I'll get, but I think these two are way too big. I'll have to make it a bit smaller. So I just did some streaking all over the building, and I'm really, really happy with this. I think this looks quite sort of realistic, and I really, really want to go for a really abandoned sort of building look. So that's some streaking there, a bit more there, and then on the front side, absolutely destroyed. Building's been absolutely hammered by the weather. This side as well. One more time. Yeah, so I'm really, really happy with how this went. So what I did was, I just got a bit of paint on a sponge, and then I just sort of dabbed it on there. Then I got a brush with wet water and just sort of streaked the paint down. And it works really well in this sort of white building as well. It works really well, and from a distance, you get a really good sort of effect. It looks really quite, realistic, the streaking, and this is honestly my first time I've done streaking before, and I say it's going really well. I'm really proud of myself. I'm happy I did the weathering and didn't leave it, because I was considering just leaving it like a nice sort of building, but I'm happy I've sort of damaged it up and stuff like that, because it looks absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with this product.